Alright, hey guys, Suggie here. Welcome back to another vlog at Suggie Space. So today it's just the boys in the flat at the moment. Jane and Lauren have gone out to the festival Panorama. Is it called Panorama?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it's called Panorama. Yeah, so they're going to go see A$AP Rocky and all that, which is pretty cool. But we thought we'd have a chill night out. And also we're going to head out to the small intimate music gig that we found through the site called Sofar Sounds, which is a site where you apply for like a ticket to get to these secret venue gigs, and it's like an intimate kind of like concert kind of thing in a way, but it's like it could be in someone's house or an underground bar, and like you only find out about the venue once you apply for the ticket and you get on the guest list kind of thing. So could be a cool experience, meet some new people as well, and we might head up Dumbo as well and go to that infamous, that famous area where you see like the Manhattan Bridge like down the street with like in one frame in the photo you can get all of what represents New York, something like that. I don't know. But it should be a good time anyway. Are we looking forward to this? Yes.
Beers with Pokemon.
Yeah. How are you, Dylan?
Pretty pumped.
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty excited.
Should be a nice chilled out night, I reckon. Whose bike is this, by the way? How addicted are you to this game?
I only play when I'm walking around, probably like
Every day.
I'm not that addicted. If I was addicted, I'd be higher than level 12.
Alright, we made it to Manhattan, but change of plans though. As we were going in, we kind of looked up the route to get to Dumbo and then back to the city to get to the gig. And we just realised that we didn't have enough time, because like to get to Dumbo you have to go into the city then back out of the city, so that was going to cause a lot of like delays for us, and we're probably going to end up really late as well. So we're just going to go get some dinner, have a few beers maybe, and then go to the gig, so it should be a good time. What's the menu like?
Too expensive.
Too expensive? Nah, okay, let's go. At the moment, we're looking for places to eat. Ollie, our main man, is on the job. Yo!
What? Too pricey.
Alright, we're gonna try this place out here. And it is happy hour. Woo. Well, that's thank you. You know what that is? Cheers, boys. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Dylan with his water. Are there any Pokemons around here, Ollie? Which Pokemon can you see right now?
It's changeling. It's cool.
Oh, nice. Are they pretty rare?
Yeah.
Cool, thank you. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, your one looks so good. Yes, we're doing the old trade 1 for 1. Yes, I love it. I love your style, Dylan. Enjoy, my friend. So hungry. We're trying to find somewhere cheap-ish, but we got too hungry. We went in the wrong direction as well. We were being late to our gig. We went to the other side, so we had to just come here. But it's good food though, so you can't go wrong. Alright, that was some bloody good Mexican. I wish the portion was a bit bigger because I'm still pretty damn hungry, and I wish there's a dollar slice place around here somewhere, but I think we're in a very kind of fancy area of New York. But yeah, it was still pretty good. What did you think, Ollie?
great stuff. I love the food.
Yeah.
The vibes.
The vibe was good, so it was nice and chilled. The beer was nice and cooled as well. But now we're on the way to the gig. Pretty damn excited, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah. How you doing?
Hi.
You good? Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you with this camera.
Tell me follow all the signs all the way up.
Cool, thank you.
Enjoy.
Oh, look at this gallery here. That's cool. All right. Oh yeah, Dylan was nice enough to make me his +1 for tonight. Yeah. Ollie's actually dead willing us. This is actually me and Dylan's date. And I just wanted to tag along.
Ollie's just three-wheeling.
Yeah, he's just dead willing right now. Isn't that right, Ollie? Oh, is there more? Oh man. Oh, come on. Oh, really? Oh, man. I'm puffed. I'm really puffed already. There it is. Yo. Hello. Going.
Allie.
Hi, I'm Suggie. Nice to meet you.
you.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm James.
Hey, I'm Suggie. Nice to meet you.
Please come in.
Wow, look at this place. Hey, how you doing? I'm Suggie. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Suggie. Nice to meet you. So this is the guy who we're seeing tonight. How you doing, Frank? You good?
Doing quite well.
Yeah? Are you pumped for this gig? Are you
I'm
excited?
stoked.
Yeah. Oh, I'm looking forward to hearing you perform. So right now we're in someone's apartment. This place is huge. That's incredible. There's a lot of cool artwork around here as well. Like, look at this. Yeah, that's cool. What do you guys think so far, guys? So good. The great thing about this is BYO. Cheers, boys. Cheers. 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 Oh yeah. It's a bit warm.
Boston, Frank Bell. If you could come on up, Frank.
Yes,
It's called Eggshells. It's about like being in a relationship and getting out of a relationship. It's hot. You'll get it. Build upon these bridges, we can watch them burn. Out of the way, it's lesson learned. Stumble down this path, we can make a turn. Out of the way, it's lesson learned. I will fight till there's nothing left inside. I will push till there's no more room to pull. I will still always get lost in your eyes. But tonight, let's put it all aside. Walking on eggshells, silent speak, don't tell. Along the way, we've had our days, always been you well. And this is not a farewell. Can't change your mind already, baby.
We're in an art gallery. You're gonna walk around, look at art. I'm gonna ask.
Buddy, I just want to say you absolutely killed it tonight.
What's up, brother?
You killed it tonight, man. That was so good. But hey, Frank here absolutely killed it tonight. Have you anything to say to the people out there?
Oh, fuck. Don't put me on the...
Sorry, I just put you on the spot right now.
I don't know if this is gonna be a documentary or anything.
It's just a vlog, but like...
So yeah, love, and more love. And then, even more love than that. And that's it.
Yes, but like check out his performance down the link below. Hey, you did absolutely well. Thank you so much for performing tonight. That's so cool.
There's been quite a few that are like this.
Alright, so we finally made it back home safely. Just want to say it was just such an awesome night tonight. It was nice and chill. It was great seeing Frank play today. He absolutely killed it. But I guess for now, I just want to say again, thank you so much for watching these vlogs. Also, like at the same time, like any feedback is you know, always welcomed as well. Like I'd like to know like what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing right, or like anything I can improve on. Like just anything is I'd be greatly appreciated. So I just want to say again, like thank you so much for watching, and for now, take care, and I guess I'll see you guys again soon. Suggie out.
Walk, get on actions, signs speak, don't tell. Along the way we've had our days, I'll always meet you well. This is not a farewell, can't change my mind already made.